Came all through from Sydney, Australia. I did my surgery on January and it's been almost 6 months. I'm really satisfied with my result. I'm really happy with my result, and you can see that and it's worth it to do over here. And I've already given reference to my couple of mates from Australia, Sydney, to come and do hair transplant over here. And they're really professional and they look after you. And I've been contacting them from overseas. They reply my text message in WhatsApp and everything. And I take my medicine and everything, like 6 months, and they give 3 months. So they're really helpful with every single questions, whatever you ask. So I would really recommend come to the new hair transplant and do your transplant. Thanks.